What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, guys. So today, guys, I'm gonna be reading you guys comments, you know what I'm saying, because I'm seeing a lot of comments, you know what I'm saying. So I want to see what you guys talking about, you know what I'm saying. So if you got any question or if you got any content idea, just drop the comment below on this video so that I know what you guys want, because you already know, guys, your boy here. I'm here to teach you how to trade. I'm here to teach you how you can start making money in a forex market. So I don't do what I want, but I want to do what you guys want. All right, so I'm trying to read the comments, you know, I say right here, so that I know what most of you guys want. All right, someone says like, yo sir, please do new 2024 strategy, right? Guys, trust me, more strategies, guys, are coming. More strategies are coming on this channel. You know how we do, no cap, right? Thank you very much, sir, for appreciate too, you know what I'm saying. Thank you too, man. It's all about us, it's all about supporting each other, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so the other one say, Juba, once we reach the take profit, can we open another buy or sell position? Listen, once you already hit the profit, you can't open any other position, buying or sell. Don't open any other position unless if the market already give you another retest. You know what I'm saying? Let's say the market has been going up like this, you know what I'm saying, and it's already reached the profit. You know what I'm saying? You can't open another position. Just wait for the market to give you the pullback. After the pullback was done, correct, and then once the market start going up, then you can open another position after the retest was complete. Is that right? And then you continue with the two position. All right, but at the same time, you must make sure that the trade that you took was long term. You know what I say? It was long term. You know what I say? The first take profit, second take profit, take profit. After the first take profit and the market give you the pullback, that's where you can be able to enter with the second trade, right? Someone else says, honestly, this is your best video. Thank you. How can I get a strategy? I want it. Hey, if you want any strategy firm, just text me. Check the link check the link below of any video from my YouTube channel, and then check the Telegram link. You know, I say join the free Telegram group, and then you're gonna be able to get the access to text me on Telegram, send me a message on Telegram, show me which strategy you want. Obvious, I do have all the strategies that you see on this channel. I do have their videos, and then I'll send you the video that has the whole settings that you want. You know, I say just text me on Telegram. Easy like that. You know, fam, we here, man. We here to support each other. You feel what I'm saying? But make sure you like the video, man. Make sure you support my channel. Make sure you support my videos. Like the videos. You know, leave the comments, because I want to know. I want to know what you guys want. I'm not saying. Yes, I think simple moving average works better. Thank you so much for the review. This one I don't understand. This one says, why don't you give the new signal in VIP group? All right. This one, why don't you give the new signal in a VIP group? This one is the day which I was in a holiday. You know what I say? You know, guys, December I spent 2 weeks in a holiday. You know what I say? But now we fire on a VIP group, obvious. Yeah. Challenge with enjoy both candle. Oh, this one says how to read the candlesticks. Don't worry, guys, I'm I'm gonna do the videos, guys, that talks about candlesticks. They are very important. You know, say expect these videos coming. I'm gonna teach you guys the really amazing candlesticks that you need to see before you take the trade. You know, say this is very amazing trick. Trust me. So you keep motivating for sure. Yes, nothing else. So we have to keep motivating each other, if you know what I'm saying, because you also motivating me right now, you know what I'm saying, as I do to you, you know what I'm saying. So we have to keep motivating each other, if you know what I'm saying. Yes, sir. Because if you lose your motivation, yo, what else? What are you left with? At the end of the day, once you lose the motivation, you're gonna end up killing yourself, you know what I'm saying. So we have to keep the motivation so that we can be able to keep going. Hello, Juba Snipe. Thank you so much. I really find the strategy very helpful. Still back texting, and so far so good. May God continue blessing you. God continue bless you too, my brother. Thanks so much. Can I please share the setting for your strategy? This is the same thing that I say to you guys. Once you see any strategy that you want, all right, and you can't see the settings, just send me that strategy on my free Telegram group, on my Telegram, on Telegram. Send me that picture of the strategy you're talking about. Then I'll send you. Ask me for the settings. Then I'll send you straight away the strategy. If you want to say, it's like that. Juba teach us how to see if the MA already closed or but sell level. Do we need to go to 15? Wait for pullback finish. I don't get it. I don't get it. But it's kind of it's talking about I don't get it. Sorry. Yo, the other one says, hey Juba, sometimes I use this strategy and I get draw down like a lot. Can you teach us to get how to get entries proper? And do you only see one time frame if you find entry in that time frame? So this one is trying to talk about like when I'm using the strategy, do I look up on only one time frame? This is the right question, and I always repeat about this for sure. When you're using my strategy, all right, my mobile strategy, you don't need many time frames, right? You can only go on 4 hour time frame to make sure that the market is on downtrend or uptrend. And once the market is on downtrend, and then go on 15 minutes, focus only on sales. And if you went on 4 hours time frame and you find the market is on uptrend, all you need is to focus on buying opportunity. Go on 15 minutes or 30 minutes, any time frame that you feel like you want to stick on. Once the market reach that level that I told you, focus on direction of the market, because you have no right to change the market. You can't be buying the market when it's on downtrend. You have no money that is going to change the market direction. You know what I'm saying? So we have to follow, the big buyers, you know what I'm saying, the big sellers. We have to follow these people. If you know what I'm saying. Us, we just, yeah, we just the small ones. We have to follow them. So yeah, that's what it is, bro. Yo, the other one is asking, Juba, how did your YouTube journey start? All right, my YouTube journey started. Remember, guys, I started trading Forex since 2015. All right, 2015, and then 2016 I was still running. 2017 I was still running, but 2018 I started to learn so hard, you know what I'm saying? So hard, guys. I started to make money 2019, you know what I'm saying? 2019, this is why I started to make money. And then after I started making money, You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, you know what I'm saying, they've been coming to me. They want me to teach them how to trade. But you can't teach everyone, guys. You can't teach everybody like everybody. You know what I'm saying? Everybody see me, you know, posting my result anyway, like on my WhatsApp or whatever. They want me to teach them, you know. So I'm like, yo, bro, I can't teach everybody, you know, because I have to. I must have my own freedom, you know. I must have my own freedom because even friends and everyone they want to come to me like, yo, please teach us how to. So that means I'm gonna be busy teaching you guys how to train and stuff like that. So me starting the YouTube channel, guys, I started a YouTube channel. That's why a lot of, you know, a lot of secrets, guys, I'm giving to you for free. A lot of things that you would have been paying money, I always give to you guys for free because I started a YouTube channel as, you know, my attention was to help everyone how to trade, just to show the details. You know what I'm saying? To show what you can do because I knew that there's a people who been struggling as I was. You know what I'm saying? And these people they need to get away from the struggle. You know what I'm saying? So I've never thought about the money or any other thing. You know what I'm saying? But you know the journey. You know the journey, guys. You know the journey. You will find yourself. Everybody need your time. Everybody need your time. Everybody need your time. So this was the reason why to start the YouTube channel was to help. Most of I didn't even think about the views. I didn't think about any other thing. What I was thinking about was this my friends. You know what I'm saying? The people that we know each other, and I say they can come to my YouTube channel and learn. I share the secret in general, and then they come to my YouTube channel. They learn. You know what I say? So whoever who been asking me like, yo, I wanna learn and stuff like that, I was like, cool. Here's my YouTube channel. You can visit my YouTube channel. I drop everything, and I say you can learn from there. You know, I say yeah. I've been dropping the whole strategies, showing you how you can start making money in the forex market, and many guys are making money, and yeah, that's was the reason why I started the forex market. But I'm sorry for this video. This was not the topic for today. This topic is coming. Don't worry. You know what I'm saying? This topic is coming. Don't worry. Yeah, but I'm just passing. All right, so let's check the next. What? Guys, no, guys. Yeah, guys, you know what? This is the reason why, guys, many people don't want to read the comment. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm reading the comments. Look at this, guys. I'm reading the comments. Look at this. I'm reading the comments. You can see. I'm reading the comments, guys. You can see. But, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. This is the reason why many people don't want to read the comments, all right? So, I'm not going to hide anything. I'm going to read everything for you, right? So, this guy says, hey, naked boy, don't you have a car to flex? So you are flexing by showing iPhone 14 Pro Max. Show us that you are profitable by yourself. How? Bro, do you think I'm flexing on you by showing the iPhone? This is my phone, bro. This is my phone that I'm using. You know what I'm saying? It's not about flexing. It's about I'm reading the comment. How do you want me to read your comment like? How am I flexing, guys? How am I flexing, bro? I do have the car, but why do I have to like to show all my? Hey, bro, listen. This is the reason why people don't want to read the comments, right? This is the reason why. What is the car? What about the phone? This is nothing, bro. Hey, focus on yourself, bro. Focus on yourself, bro. Don't. Hey, you see, this is the reason why people don't want to read the comments, but this has nothing to do with me. You know what I say? This is just negativity, right? So yeah, it's alright, bro. Hey, listen, it's not about flexing. I'm answering your comment. It's not about flexing, bro. It's about I don't know what you think is, but it's not about that shit. You know what I'm saying? Not at all. No one who doesn't have a phone here. Everybody got phone, bro. Am I the first person who got iPhone 14 Pro Max? Am I the first person? I'm not the first. I'm not even. Yo, bro, you even choked me for it. Okay, how many hours does this trade with this strategy takes? I don't get this question. And another one, I don't know his name, but it's like, yo, it's like, thanks, thank you so much, boss. It's exactly 100% uh, profitable strategy. Keep helping us. Any news idea? Any news idea? The news idea, guys. The news idea is coming. The news idea is coming. But I always drop news idea, guys. I always like drop the news idea for sure. I always do that. I always, you guys, seems like you guys don't watch my previous video, but you guys, I think you must go and watch my previous videos so that you might see what I've been dropping before. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't want to repeat the same thing. I don't want to repeat the same. That's why, guys, I'm asking you the content idea. Just leave the comment below. Give me the content idea. You know what I'm saying? Then I will do it for you guys. It takes me not 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 much time, but I will do it for you guys. From So, guys, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate. It's a lot of comment, guys. A lot of comments. I can't read both, guys, for sure. For sure, it's a lot. It's a lot, but I can't read everyone's comment right here on the video. But I do read them when I'm alone. So I do read them when I'm alone. Say for sure. Just leave your comment below. Say then, yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and leave the comment below. Join the free Telegram group. You know how we do. Say we can start trading together as a team. Say if we take a loss, we take a loss together. If we win, we win together. This is how we do it. We win together. When it's getting hard, we're getting hard to get everything together, man. But the good thing is that you're trading with a professional person. Say so it's not going to be like when it's a bad day, we can even see before we start trading. Say and that day we're just gonna chill, we're not gonna take no trade. Say it's like that. Say so it's like that. So, guys, I did love you so much, and I wish you guys a good day. Say expect more content, guys. This year, guys, is going to be our year. Say it's going to be. Hey, we have a lot to do this year for sure. And if you wanna learn more, guys, if you wanna learn more, expect to learn a lot this year for sure. Peace out.